Hello again guys, in this video I'm gonna go over how to fix Instagram user is not found. There are two different things that you may wondering, and one is maybe you temporarily disabled your account and then you want to go back again to log in. And the other one is you search on Instagram and you can find somebody, it says user not found. Either that user has disabled the account or blocked you from their account. Or possible the users doesn't exist anymore, or maybe you type the exact username. And if maybe you block that person. And to unblock that person, just go over to your profile and then tap this three horizontal line, then go to settings, then privacy, and then here we will have the connections here, restricted accounts and block accounts. Just stop these block accounts and you will see here if you block that person, so that when you search that person it will not appear anymore, the user is not found. Okay, let's go back to our home. Again, for the other one is you might temporarily disabled your account and you want to go back to log in again, but it says the user is not found. Try to log in using your number or email, and if it still says that the user could not found or not found, unfortunately the reason is the Instagram has deleted that username. You need to set up a brand new account for that Instagram. Okay, that's it guys. Keep following for more video tips. Thank you for watching.